This is a fight between Varun Gujar Pehlwan, a wrestler of Guru Hanuman Akhada, New Delhi, and Gaurav Machhiwal. This is a fourth prize match. The winner will win bronze medal at third and fourth level. The event is Hind Kesari Dangal 2016. The venue is Village Alamgir, Ludhiana, Punjab. This is the third and final day of the event, and this is the second last match of the event. There will be only one match after this. Wrestlers are trying to weight each other as they are heavy weight wrestlers. It is difficult them to maneuver fast. Wrestlers takes time to judge each other's power. The match becomes slower now. Being slow here, the referee asks them to start the fight again. Now they are using their hands to find a grip. Referee warns them again to speed up the fight. They fights again. A warning is issued to Gaurav for being slow. The announcer also demands action as well. The Dangal committee here again demands action. The wrestlers are in a contact now. They are wrestling. This is 49th National Traditional Indian Style Wrestling Championship organized by Indian Style Wrestling Association of India. President Rameshwar Yadav, General Secretary Roshan Lalji, and Acting Secretary Gaurav Sachdeva and his team. A great match here. Again, a slow wrestling. Referee asks them to open and start the game again. "30 seconds are given to blue wrestler Gaurav to take a point and Varun to counter. Varun tries to attack here, but Gaurav defends. Both wrestlers are locked in now. They are in contact. Gaurav trying to block Varun. Varun trying to do something, trying to take some action. And the match is at slower. Referee whistles. Both wrestlers splits. 1 point is given to red, and the caution is given to blue for playing slow and failing to score a point. Wrestler are in contact now. Varun has scored 1-0 while Gaurav is trailing by 1 point. Gaurav attacks, Varun blocks. Referee whistles again and asks them to fight again. Fight starts again. Gaurav dodges Varun. Both wrestlers trying to clinch the fingers. They are trying to hold the fingers, counter each other. Referee whistling and trying to stop them. The match stops again. Fight starts again. They are in clinch position now, trying to pull and push each other, but inactive. Referee asks them to stop again and fight again. This time Gaurav penetrates into the legs, but Varun counters. Both clinch each other again. Nothing happens. Same slow game. They are using their hands now. Lot of upper body work here. Lot of power is used in this way, leading to exertion. This is a point game. Gaurav has to take a point in order to level the score, and Varun has to score more points to get on the safer side of the match. So the match in this way is around half half part, and both the wrestlers are doing great. So far, Varun has scored 1 point, and Gaurav is trying to level the score. Nothing happens. The match seems at a slower side, but still they are both great wrestlers, and a lot of time to a lot of time remain in their wrestling game. Hope they will do better and will give a great entertainment to the watching crowd here. Referee whistles them to stop for an extent again. They opens again, and with the whistle, the referee starts the fight again. Both wrestlers now in clinch position. They are attempting to take advantage of each other, but it seems in vain. And the wrestling goes again. Now referee whistles again and shows it is half time. Now this is the half time of the event of the game, and there is nothing happened during this. Only one point was scored by Varun, and the match goes to the second round. Referee whistles now, telling both the wrestlers to come inside the arena and start wrestling. They are picking dirt from Akhada and they will put this on each other. Change in strategy. Varun attacks Gaurav. Great leg attack. Snatches his leg, jogs him. Gaurav falls on the ground. Varun controls him. Varun is now on the top of Gaurav, trying to use gut wrench technique. And here he lifts Gaurav and successfully uses the gut wrench technique. I think scores 2 points, and the score is 5-0 now. Both goes out of the arena. Referee whistles and asks them to come into the open and inside the ring to fight again. Yes, the announcer speaks. It is 5-0. Great show by Varun. He got 2 points by using leg attack and 2 points by gut wrench. The game is in favor of Varun now. Both wrestlers are trying to judge each other again. The wrestling is taking place. This time Gaurav has 1 point to be in the game, but Varun is in action now. Gaurav seems defending him for nothing, and the match is on the slower side again. Varun pushes Gaurav aside. Gaurav stumbles. Varun pushes him again, and here Gaurav goes out of the arena. 1 point again in favor of Varun now. The score goes 6-0. Very hard to come back to Varun now. Varun is inching toward victory slowly. He has done 2 great attacks and got rewarded. There's still a lot of time for Gaurav to take action and come back in the game. However, Varun is seemed in more action than Gaurav. Gaurav now. Gaurav is blocking and pushing Varun. They are in scuffle now. Gaurav pushes Varun out of the arena, gets a point, and opens his account. This is the first point taken by Gaurav in this match. He remained rather slower during the first half. Picking mud and putting on each other is allowed in the traditional wrestling. This is what you see here. Fight is starting again. 4 minutes is left now. Gaurav seems selection now, but Gaurav is leading by big numbers and defending himself very well. He tries to block Gaurav. Gaurav pushes and pulls, trying to make a way, trying to pin into it. Gaurav has been using his head now. Here, trophies. You can see trophies. The dignitaries has come closer to the arena. Here you can see Rameshwar Yadav ji, the president, talking on his phone. Here, Kushal Lal ji and his officials, Satya Prakash ji, and more. Gaurav tries to pull Varun. He is using his hands again and again, but Varun is also using blocking his hands, countering very well. A faulty move by Gaurav. Referee cautions, tells them to fight, and Varun gets a warning for being slow, not playing. The match starts. Varun goes to pick up the dart, but referee prohibits it. The score is 6-2 now. Some action here, but nothing happens. Gaurav is trending by big score, yet he seems on the slower side. Match is inching toward the end. Varun is almost winning the game now. However, no one can say until the time finishes and the games comes to an end. Some action here. Gaurav pushes Varun and he goes out of the arena. No point is given to Gaurav. The match is still 6-2 now. They come inside the ring and
समय शेष है 6 और 2 में
final moments of the game, I think. Gaurav tries to clinch but fails. 2 minutes remain. 6-2 is the score so far. 2 minutes is ample time for Gaurav. Both are in clinch position. Varun is going towards danger zone and he touches the corner, goes outside the ring. The point is in favor of Gaurav and he gets a point. The score is 6-3 now. Final moments are near, I think. Gaurav is trying hard. Gaurav uses his hand to push Varun. Varun defends. A great show of wrestling by both. They are top tradition wrestler of India. Great action here, great entertainment, great wrestling. Referee asks them to split and fight again. They are going to start again very well. Gaurav penetrates. Varun counters and lifts Gaurav's hand and jerks him towards left. Gaurav uses his head to push Varun outside the ring. He is pushing, but Varun is trying to save himself. Both are scuffling. Varun goes out of the ring now. Referee whistles and give one more point to Gaurav. The score is 6-4 now. One score. 1 point is scored by Gaurav. 20 seconds remaining now. Still Gaurav can come back if he tries a good technique. That's desperate attempt by Gaurav now. He's trying to attack, but Varun is blocking, defending himself. This time is running out. Varun cries, see him crying. Some foul play by Gaurav, I think. And here the referee whistles and the game goes to an end. The time has run out. Time waits for nobody. The game is ending now, and the game is in favor of Varun.